ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب المبين إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new episode of the Madina Arabic short tutorial series. This is going to be part 5 of lesson 13 from book 1. Today we will begin part B of the lesson. We will start seeing examples for Jam'ul Mu'annath, feminine plurals. Let's open up page 74 of the book and go over exercise 1. This exercise is similar to the one we saw in the beginning of part A, where we need to convert simple ISMIYYAH sentences with singular ism to plural forms, except this time we will deal with mu'annath ism. The mithal or the example is هذه bintun. This is a daughter, or we can also translate it as this is a girl. The plural form of bintun is banatun. So bintun is a daughter and banatun is daughters. Notice here, banatun is considered as jam'ul mu'annath salim, as it is ending with the suffix atun, alif and open ta. But besides that, the first part of the word also underwent a slight adjustment, where the first two letters ba and nun changed their vowels to fatha in banatun. In the singular form, bintun, ba had kasra and nun had sukun. Such small adjustments sometimes can occur in plural forms. To say these are daughters, the plural form of the ismul ishara هؤلاء is used. The transformed sentence with plurals is هؤلاء banatun. These are daughters, or these are girls. The next few sentences involve jam'ul mu'annath salim. Let's convert them to plural forms. Sentence 1 is هذه طالبة. This is a female student. The plural of طالبة is طالبات. The new sentence then should be هؤلاء طالبات. These are students. Sentence 2. هذه مدرسة. This is a teacher. مدرسة is a female teacher. Its plural is مدرسات, as shown in the parenthesis on the left. So مدرسة became مدرسات. What would be the plural version of the sentence then? It should be هؤلاء مدرسات. These are teachers. Very good. Sentence 3. هذه طبيبة. This is a female doctor. Female doctors is طبيبات. طبيبة is singular and طبيبات is plural. Our new sentence is هؤلاء طبيبات. These are doctors. Sentence 4. هذه مسلمة. This is a مسلمة. As we learned before, the plural of مسلمة is مسلمات. So we will write هؤلاء مسلمات. These are مسلمات. Sentence 5. هذه زوجة. زوجة means a wife. So we can translate هذه زوجة as this is a wife. The plural of زوجة is زوجات. Our new sentence will be هؤلاء زوجات. These are wives. Sentence 6. هذه أخت. This is a sister. The plural form of أخت is أخوات. It's jam'ul mu'annath salim. But similar to banatun, the vowels of the first part of the word in the plural form change to fatha in akhawatun. Also, the letter waw appears before the suffix atun. So the plural form of the sentence هذه أخت is هؤلاء أخوات. Sentence 7. هذه فتاة. This is a young lady. The plural of فتاة is فتيات. It's also jam'ul mu'annath salim because the singular form فتاة already has alif before ta. The plural form gets additional letter ya before the suffix atun, so it sounds different from the singular form. Once again, فتاة is a young lady and فتيات is young ladies. هؤلاء فتيات means these are young ladies. In the next few sentences, we will see examples of the mu'annath ism having the same broken plural pattern as the mudhakkar ism. For example, sentence 8 is هذه جديدة. This is new. The plural of jadidatun is jududun. We know that jududun was also the plural form of the mudhakkar ism jadidun. So what we are learning here is that some words may have same broken plurals in both mudhakkar and muannath jins. As in here, the ism jududun is the plural of jadidun and jadidatun. Then these are new in Arabic will be haula'i jududun. Because both haula'i and jududun are gender neutral words, we can use the same sentence for both mudhakkar and muannath pluralism. Sentence 9. هذه كبيرة. This is big. The plural form of kabiratun is the same as the plural of kabirun, which is kibarun. We can write the new sentence as هؤلاء كبار. These are big. So this sentence هؤلاء كبار can also be used for both mudhakkar and muannath pluralism. Next we have هذه صغيرة. This is small. If you remember, the broken plural form of صغير was صغار. It turns out that the صغار is the broken plural of the muannath ism صغيرة also. These are small in Arabic will be هؤلاء صغار. And the final sentence of the exercise is هذه طويلة. This is tall. The plural of both طويل and طويلة is طوال. So the plural sentence هؤلاء طوال can be used for both mudhakkar and muannath. هؤلاء طوال means these are tall. That's it. We can mark this exercise as complete. We can next go over the main text of this part of the lesson. But before doing that, let's do our usual drill with the DHOMEER tables because we will start using a new DHOMEER from today. This is the table for DHOMEER MUNFASIL, detached pronouns, in the same order as before from third, second, and first person, from right to left, and from mudhakkar to muannath from top to bottom. Let's read them together a couple of times. هو, هما, هم, هي, هما, هن, أنت, أنتما, أنتم, أنت, أنتما, أنتن, أنا, نحن. هو, هما, هم, هي, هما, هن, أنت, أنتما, أنتم, أنت, أنتما, أنتن, أنا, نحن. From today, we'll start using ضمير هن, they, for third person جمع المؤنث, the feminine plural ضمير. So, the plural of هو is hum, and the plural of هي is هن. Now we'll switch to ضمير متصل, attached ضمير coming with the ism أب. Let's read them together. أبوه, أبوهما, أبوهم. أبوها, أبوهما, أبوهن. أبوك, أبوكما, أبوكم. أبوك, أبوكما, أبوكن. أبي, أبونا. Once again. أبوه, أبوهما, أبوهم. أبوها, أبوهما, أبوهن. أبوك, أبوكما, أبوكم. أبوك, أبوكما, أبوكن. أبي, أبونا. From now on, we will start using the ضمير متصل هن as in أبوهن, their father. هن is used for third person جمع المؤنث. You may have noticed this ضمير is actually identical in both منفصل and متصل forms. So أبوهم is their father for جمع المذكر and أبوهن is their father for جمع المؤنث. Let's now go over the dialogue given at the top of page 74. It starts with a question. من هؤلاء الفتيات يا مريم? Who are these young ladies, O Maryam? As we saw a little earlier, the ism al-fatayatu, young ladies, is a plural form of al-fatatu. هن زميلاتي. They are my classmates. زميلات is the جمع المؤنث السالم of the ism زميلة, a female classmate. أأخواتهن, are they sisters? نعم, هن أخوات. Yes, they are sisters. Do you remember the singular form of أخوات? أخت, right? Very good. Here, after the حرف نعم, ضمير منفصل هن is coming as the مبتدأ of the جملة اسمية. أخوات is the خبر. من أبوهن? Who is their father? أبوهن الشيخ بلال. أمهن أستاذتي. Their father is Sheikh Bilal. Their mother is my teacher. Here, Dr. Abdul Rahim is giving us example usages of ضمير متصل هن. Hunna is still referring to the plural ism al-fatayatu. In the first sentence, can you find the mubtada and the khabar? Mubtada is the ism abu, وهو مضاف, and the ضمير hunna is مضاف إليه. And the khabar is ism al-shaykhu. What do you think is the function of the ism bilalun then? It is coming as badal or a substitute for al-shaykhu. That's because if we remove the ism al-shaykhu, the ism bilalun can replace it as khabar in abuhunna bilalun. In the next sentence, mubtada is ummu, وهو مضاف, and hunna is مضاف إليه. What do you think is the khabar? Ustadati is the idafa of ustadatu and ya'ul mutakallim. And the khabar is the ism marfu' ustadatu. The final question that Maryam is being asked is أين بيتهن? Where is their house? بيتهن قريب من المدرسة. بيتهن means their house, still referring to al-fatayatu, and قريب من المدرسة means near the school, or literally close from the school. So بيتهن قريب من المدرسة means their house is near the school. بيت is the مبتدا وهو مضاف, هن is مضاف إليه, قريب is the خبر, and من المدرسة is جار ومجرور. Okay, we are done with the text. Let's end our video here. We will continue going through the exercises in part B of the lesson next time, inshallah. I will see you in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.